ESPN Monday Night Football. Vikings Packers at 8:30.
Is this a Chevy Bolt?
Yeah, it's electric.
I don't think so. It's got a gas tank right here.
Electric tank, right over here.
He's begging you.
Really, Stu? Is that what you poured the electricity?
Actually, both, guys.
Sweetie, you mean. Now he thinks that's for him. Look at him getting all excited.
Ow.
Yeah, he thinks it's for him. He's telling you. He was just trying to get your attention. Poor Lovey. People can, huh? You want some food. Here. You don't want that?